Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful and simple gents sweater pattern for you. This pattern can be used in shawls, caps, gents sweaters. This pattern is very new and hope you will try it. And also this is very stretchy pattern. For this pattern I have used long tail cast on and designer ribbing. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 12 stitches, multiple of 2 5 times and plus 2 stitches for the edge. Our pattern begins from right side, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, knit 1 from back loop, then yarn over and without releasing first stitch add second stitch to the first stitch and knit both stitches together from back loop. Now second repeat, knit 1 stitch from back loop and then yarn over. After that knit first and second stitch together from back loop. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, knit first stitch from back loop and then yarn over and without releasing first stitch add second stitch to the first stitch and knit both stitches together from back loop. This is our third repeat pattern. Now fourth repeat, knit 1 stitch from back loop, yarn over and then knit first and second stitch together from back loop. This is our fourth repeat pattern. Now fifth repeat pattern. Knit 1 stitch from back loop, yarn over and knit first and second stitch together from back loop and then release both stitches. This is our last repeat pattern and now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Here we have made 2 stitches out of 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, purl 1 and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now third repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now fourth repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now last repeat, purl 1 stitch, and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. This is our last repeat pattern. Now purl last edge stitch. This is our second row. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, bye, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends, bye bye, see you.